Hello guys. Look at what we found.
Look at this. Good morning from day 41. We are just now leaving our beautiful Pine Needle campground. We're gonna try to go 16 miles to a tent site today. The sun is shining and feeling ready for the day.
Hello guys. Look at what we found.
Look at this. Look at this.
400 baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. We completely forgot he was even coming
Yeah,
up.
it just came up out of nowhere.
Yeah.
What a great way to start the day.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, yesterday we came into Tennessee. Today we hit 400. So 2 good milestones. So.
And 400 miles in 41 days, that's really good.
Yeah, I mean, even with the zeros, that's an average of like 10 a day.
Yeah.
You know, so not too shabby.
So last night was not super ideal for me. I could not finish editing our video. It just got super late. It was like 10:30 and my eyes were literally closing as I was trying to edit. So I talked to Evan and we decided that we need to just start everything earlier for me so that we can get to camp earlier for me to finish the edit. So today we are trying a little experiment. We did not cook breakfast. We just packed up and we hit the trail at 8:15, which is one of our best yet. And that's great. I'm really excited and hoping we can get to camp around 4:30 today so that I can have enough time to get everything done. Yeah, I know we just had our whole empowerment talk about leaving camp early, but I think for the editor, we need to just start earlier, go to bed earlier. We're gonna be working hard to make that adjustment. It's not been easy to find that kind of groove, but it is really encouraging that we can pack up in an hour. That is something. We're figuring it out.
Well, the sign has spoken. Whoa. We were not expecting this. Look at how high that is. Oh my goodness. Jones Falls. I think this is a good snack spot.
Yeah. Like a fairy tale.
Yeah. North Carolina and Tennessee. It's chilly. It's a warm day. And this feels just right. Haven't seen a water source this big in a while. Right back there at that that gate or fence was where we dipped back in North Carolina for the very last time. Just left, and yeah, it's this weird little section on far out. But now we're actually in Tennessee, and we're gonna stay here until we get to Virginia. Yeah, we've been moving kind of slow today, but we've been enjoying ourselves. We've already seen a lot. A lot has happened, so that's been pretty cool. Yeah, it's not even, like you said, 3 miles into the day. So if nothing else happened, we'd be happy at this point. But yeah, we're just enjoying ourselves today. A lot heavier of packs. I will say that. The first day after a resupply is always the heaviest and the suckiest, but it's okay. We're just trying to eat as much snacks as we can. Walking along this awesome little, or big river actually. It's the biggest one we've seen in a while, so we must be pretty low down in elevation. Yeah, we're just having a great day. The sun is shining and we're loving it.
I didn't choose fishing hat life. Fishing hat life chose me. Up until this point, my hatred of fishing hats is right up there with my hatred of the salmon shorts. I've had about 5 people offer to get me a fishing hat. Evan's mom brought me one. Evan offered to get me one. And then my dad finally mailed me one. And you know what? I'm like, I'm gonna give it a shot. And I think it's growing on me, you guys. I think it's a fashion statement. And I feel like I've reached my full potential as a fern. I'm drinking 4 bottles of water a day, more electrolyte tablets than I probably should be having. Now I am well watered and shaded. Full fern potential, baby.
So I think I hit a new low last night. So I lost the rucksack for our bear hangs 2 days ago, and I was scrambling around trying to find something, a rock or something heavy I could at least tie the rope around to get it over the tree. I couldn't find a single rock. Even if I had the rucksack, I still would have been SOL, because there was literally no rocks anywhere. I walked all along the trail to the road, even no rocks and nothing. So Fern had like this like fruit smoothie in a bag type of deal. I forget what the brand was. She was like, oh, you should try this. This is kind of got some weight to it. I'm like, oh, all right, I'll give it a shot. So yeah, I put the carabiner through the cap of the smoothie thing and tossed it up, and it worked. It actually worked, but it was pitch black at that point, and I was using my headlamp to do this bear hang, and it was just not the best at all. So yeah, I was like bumming pretty hard last night when I had to do that, but that is why we got a fresh early start this morning. Earliest I think we've ever had. So hopefully we can get into camp a little bit earlier and actually have time to chill. That is the plan. Mount Rainier Falls. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. Mount Rainier Falls, everybody. Right here. Let's see if we can get closer. Wow, this one you can get right up close to. Woo! I should have taken my pack off for this. Why didn't we take our pack off? Well, very pretty. Get under there. It's slippery. Be careful. Run through. Well, don't run, but walk carefully through. No, you have to go through. Yeah, go through that part.
Water the fern.
Wow. First big snake. Look at the size of this guy. That's a big old rat snake. What's up, buddy? Whoa. Wow. Look at him, he's slither. He's slithering. He's going. Oh, wow. Big old snake. Oh my goodness. That was like 4 feet long.
That's not as big as they get.
No. But that's, he's still gone. You see him? Slithering over there. Haven't seen a snake that big in a long time. That's our third snake.
We shall go.
And he was a big one. Wow. Got this avocado. And I'm gonna put it with some pepperoni.
I think we've really cracked the code on the whole healthy lunch thing, and we have a mind-blowing thing to show you today. So we've got avocado, a little squirt of mayo, a ranch tuna packet, some artichoke hearts from Trader Joe's, and bell peppers. And I'm simultaneously soaking my feet in this creek. Life is so good today. I'll take the pit.
Oh, there goes my spoon too. There it is. This is trail lunch heaven right now. Oh yeah. Lovely little break spot. I wonder if they fell all these trees just to make this view. There's a nice little bench here we're sitting on. The trail looks pretty well maintained here.
It's pristine.
Good little view. Couldn't resist the sit.
Enticing, very enticing.
Yes. Too enticing. You guys, so far Tennessee has been 10 out of 10. Would very much recommend. There's another nice river right here that we're following now. And oh man, just like all the waterfalls today. And there was that other really big river as well. Tennessee's been good to us so far. Kind of starting to like it. We were eyeballing a campsite back there. It was right next to the water. We're only 10 miles into the day, so we can't stop now. In the future, we will have to. Look at this. Simply spectacular, mate.
I want to stay here so bad. There's like 3 camp spots right next to the swimming hole.
We will get this one day. When it lines up right, we'll get this.
Today has been simply delightful. We really feel like we're in the green tunnel today. I mean, look at this. Everything is just bursting with color. So many beautiful water holes to take a dip. It's just been lovely, and we've been stopping to smell the roses, and now we're kind of trying to grind some miles out. It's been just the perfect balance today, and I couldn't be happier. It's definitely hot out, but we're taking lots of breaks, drinking lots of water. Yeah, just so delighted. I don't know what else to say. We're just floating down the trail, and I feel like I'm absolutely living in a dream today.
Wow. Hardcore, mate. Hardcore Cascades. Looks like there's a few more waterfalls up there. Hardcore parkour. Well, we were gonna keep going 3 more miles to a tent site, but we decided to take our good friend's advice, Mother Duck and Trash Man, and we are gonna stop hiking at 5. Their advice was set your hiking hours and don't like set like a certain mileage for the day. Just say, I want to be hiking during the hours of 8 to 4 or 8 to 5, and just stick to that. You know, when 5 o'clock rolls around, stop at the nearest shelter or tent site. And I think that's what we're gonna do, because otherwise we would just be putting too much on our bodies, because we got a pretty heavy resupply. We are taking our friend's advice and stopping at the shelter.
It is the hour of, I might twist my ankle because we're dragging at this point. It's good to set big goals, but above all, always listen to your body. You know, I was getting kind of upset, like, why am I in so much pain right now? And then I remembered, like, yeah, we're carrying a whole 4-day resupply on our backs. That's why we're sore. And that's okay. You know, we're stopping 2 miles short of our plan. So I think that's a really smart move.
And we've made it to Moreland shelter. And we put our tent right here. It's a pretty small shelter, not too bad. There's 2 other guys staying here right now. So we are the only ones tenting. This wind feels just amazing.
Look at the sun dancing.
And the squeakers and the... Yeah, it's great. Good feeling. We are so glad that we made the decision to stay here tonight. Still did 15.5 today, so we're pretty happy with that. We got everything all set up, so gonna cook up some grub. All right, a couple people rolled in, so we're gonna make it brief. Pretty good day today.
It was an awesome day, so beautiful.
Saw lots of waterfalls.
Really hot, and
yeah,
we were definitely ready to pack it in. So tomorrow we're gonna try the whole hiking hours thing. So we're gonna hike from 8 to 5.
Do the same thing we did
see
tonight.
what happens. And
yeah, we're gonna try to get some big miles tomorrow. Close her down for tonight. We will see you guys in the morning.
bye.